Hello guys, my name is Satinder Punya. I am your anchor, I am your host, and most important that I am your problem advisor. Look guys, my channel is very important. You can easily see that. Look, you just give me your opinion in my comment box, okay? Look, as much as you will criticize me, I will know myself, okay? Okay, so as much I am giving you permission that do criticism as much as you can, okay? But look, healthy criticism is always going to be healthy for good, for society, all the environment, what we are creating. I'm just creating for my audience that my audience gonna fluent speaker, okay? Because English is a very necessary. I mean, it's a compulsory language. I mean, you can't avoid it. I mean, I'm seriously, I'm telling you, you can't avoid English, okay? I'm telling you, you can't avoid English because anyhow you have to speak English. Otherwise, it will get very tough. And look, also that my channel is providing that how you wanna daily to daily life basis problem, okay? Because life will give you always challenge. Life will is a loop, okay? You are living in a loop, so you have to find yourself, then you have to live with yourself. Look guys, life is not that you are going to coaching school college. I mean, life is all about that you how creative, how knowledge, how you have knowledge, how you are can create, how, what's your talent, what's your behavior. What's your point of view, what's your opinion about this world, what your opinion about the things. This is the life, okay? Life is a joy, life is a fun, life is a dance. And look, life will always gonna give you a many task, pain. Life will give you, but you have to take all the challenge as a sport, okay? Because it will never easier that. And look guys, your maturity is decide that now you are really understand that you are come to this world alone and going to this world alone. The life you get it in your born and death, okay? You have to how you gonna live it. This is the important. So always be happy, be calm, be relaxed. And I mean, just like a super fun guy. I mean, don't take life and don't take yourself very seriously, okay? Don't take yourself very seriously. Otherwise, you will get a many harm. You will get a many harm because you can easily see that. Look, after I born, that I'm easily seeing that no one care, okay? No one is care. After I born, I really realized that no one is caring you. No one is caring you. Okay? So that's why I'm telling you, make a friend, go to trip, go to visit. Don't think too much. Don't be a overthinker, and don't take anything too much seriously. And just become a joyful guy. Okay? And look, also that I'm telling you that just follow my channel, okay? Follow my channel so you can be consistent in English. You will be consistent in English. Otherwise, 4 or 5 people make a laugh you, then you will get a demotivated, and then you will think that now you just stop to learning. First of all, I'm telling you, never stop learning, okay? Never ever stop learning. Always be a learner. Always hunger about learning, okay? Always just passionate about learning. That because this knowledge, this life is an ocean, okay? This knowledge, this life is an ocean, and you can't even think that how deep is ocean, okay? You can't. You never think You can't even think how deep is ocean. So always just go to deep and always just hunger about learning. Okay. uh, Look guys, now world is going to AI, artificial intelligence, and where we are Indians. Just just go to outside your house and just look at the world where we are reaching. I mean, China is living in 2017 and we are still living in 1998. This is the harsh reality, that we are living in 1998 and China is living 2070. Look at the America. They are now AI, Chat GPT. I mean, look at their infrastructure, their rule and regulation. Look at them. And look, I'm telling you two or three great things. Mr. Donald Trump, okay, the American president, when Narendra Modi and Donald Trump get to meet, can you give you assure you that how they exact talk? They just talk, and Donald Trump, I mean, I really can't even discuss that thing, okay? But I am telling you, I'm telling you that just love your country first. Love your country. Look, guys. First of all, I'm telling you. Look, if you have not 1 crore or 2 crore, okay, then how you can set your mindset that you go to America, you go to England? First of all, you have to earn it. Earn it. Make at least 10 lakh, 5 lakh. At least make a 10 lakh rupees. At least make a 10 lakh rupees, then go to outside. Otherwise you will get a loan and then you will get stuck in loop and loop and loop and loop. What is the point? You will get a loss. Okay, so yes, become a reasonable, become a logical. Okay, don't think that you go to America and then everything will gonna be all right. You will know. I mean, look, I never visited outside India, okay? But my friends are living there. I know, and I know how much they are struggling. I really know how much they are struggling. So yes, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content to you. Thank you very much.